So hello guys, welcome into new lecture. So in today's lecture we are going to study about modules and packages in Python. So we are going to discuss about these topics which we see in our day-to-day programming. So first we are going to create some folder. So basically creating a folder is known as a package. So we have to give the name of our folder. So our folder name like I would give this name as course. This is my folder and I'm going to create another folder. So let me just take teacher. Now these two are my packages, and in these packages these folders are called packages, and in these packages we create files which are known as modules. So I'm going to create a module as course dot py. So dot py extension is for telling that this is a Python file, and today we are going to use this file system rather than Jupyter Notebook. And thus in the same way we are going to create a file inside teacher. So I'm going to take this as a teacher dash details dot py. Now these two are our modules. Basically these are packages which pack all the modules. So folder is a package which packs all the modules inside it. Like all other different files which are inside we are going to create in this folder, all would be known as packages of this file. So this is a package, and inside it these are the modules. And same, this teacher is the package file, and inside it there are modules. So let us create some function there. So we are just going to define some simple function. So course, and then going to write function, and we are just simply going to print something like this is a course file. And yeah, so I'm going to save this, and in the same way I'm going to create teacher function. So define teacher dash details, and I'm going to print here that this is a teacher details module. So yeah, here we had created two functions inside our packages, which are teacher details and course. So what if I want to import these functions into one another? Like if I want to import this function from this package into this class, and from this package into this module, so how can we call that? So for that purpose we have to import here. So I am going to import here, and from where I want to import, so I want to import from teachers package, and from teacher package I want to import this teacher details module. So from teacher import teacher dash details. Now we had imported this teacher dash details module in our course package, and now we have to call the function from this. So I'm going to call the teacher details dot. So now we are getting the teacher details function inside this module. So I'm going to take this as teacher details, and now if we run it, let me just run this Python program. So we can see that no module named teacher. So basically it is not able to access the module. Like if we click on it, we can see that we are going to the path which we had imported, but why it is not tracking this file? Like why we are not able to reach to that destination by passing the path? So for that purpose there are different modules which we need to import in our program. So these would be used for all the programs, like in our production ready applications. When we are working on big applications, we have to import these to define our path and different and then we are going to import from, so from os.path import. So what we want to import, we want to import join and then absolute path and then the directory name, so dir name. And now we have to define the path. So what we are going to, we are going to sys dot path dot insert, and then what we are going to insert, for first we have to go give the index, so we are starting from 0th index, and then absolute path, and then we are going to pass join, and then for the join we are going to pass directory name, and for the directory name we are going to use special method dash dash file and then comma separated dot dot. So basically this will define the whole path, like this will enable the system to track absolute path of all the files which we add in this package directory. Like each package has different modules, so it would be able to track all the packages and their modules. So we are going to just save this file and we are going to run this again. So we can see that we are able to import, this is a teacher module. So now we are able to import the module from teacher-details.py file. So basically this is the method through which we can define the path and import modules from different packages. So basically what we have done here, we have just passed our absolute path to our system to track the files which we had created in different packages. So if we want to import this course function inside our teacher details, how we can import? So we have to use the previous method which we had done earlier, like from, and then from where we want to import, from course we want to import, so we are going to course. So this is our package name, and then we have to import the function inside it. So what is the function? Our function name is course. Not function name, we have to pass this module name, so our module name is course. And now if we have to call this, so from this course, now we are going to use this course module. This is the module name, so course and then dot and then function inside it. So the function inside it is also course, and then we are going to run it. So name course is not defined. Why it is giving me this error? Let me, so let me save this. It is not it is in the terminal. Let me just execute it. So now let me just run this, and we can see that we are getting the same error which we had earlier faced in payment method. So we have to do nothing, we have to just copy this previous piece of code and then use this in our program here as well. And let us just save this, and now if we run it, so code as no attribute course, so partially initialize module from course. So why it is giving this error? Let me just check it. So we are getting this error of circular detail because we are importing this function into this and this into this, so that is why it is causing this circular detail error. Like this is circular import error. So what we have to do, we have to just remove this import from one of our class, like earlier we had seen here. So let me just remove this from here, and let me just save this. And now again if we run this, so we are going to see that we are able to import the function from one module to inside the other module. So that's it for today, and we are just seeing the basics, like how can we import different modules and packages in our file. So that's it for today. See you next lecture.